Hello everyone, welcome to Saira Math. This is the fourth video of a playlist of class 10 circles. If you haven't watched first three videos, please go and watch first three videos. In the previous video, we have discussed the third property of a circle. What is the third property? We discussed if I am drawing two tangents from a point outside the circle, length of those two tangents will be equal. Why length of those two tangents will be equal? Simple. Everything comes from similarity only in geometry proofs. Okay, now if you join these two, center and the point, you get two right angle triangles. This is one more property. This is first property. Radius is perpendicular to tangent. So in these two triangles, according to RHS congruency, these two triangles are congruent. Why? Radius is equal to radius, right angle and hypotenuse are equal for both the triangles. So automatically every other side should be and every other angle should be equal. So OA is equal to OB. Clear? This is the third video. In this, using this property, let us do some questions in our textbook. Some important questions are there using this property. Those questions I'll explain now. Okay, now one of the important question is first question for today's video. Let us say ABCD is a quadrilateral. Let us say ABCD is a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle. It means that inside ABCD one circle is inscribed. Okay, now A, B, C and D. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to BC plus AD. This is the proof. How to prove? Pause the video and try for some time. Okay, shall I explain? It means that you have to prove if a quadrilateral is circumscribing a circle, every quadrilateral will not circumscribe a circle, every triangle circumscribes a circle. Okay, now for any random triangle you take, there will be a circle which is touching all three sides. It's called in circle. In circle will be there for all triangles. But every quadrilateral cannot have a circle touching all the sides. So this is a special quadrilateral. So in this special quadrilateral, what is one special property? Sum of opposite sides will be equal is a special property. We have to prove that. Okay, now how to prove? Okay, listen. Let us say these points. Let us say these touching points are some P, Q, R and S. Let us say P, Q, R and S. Now I am assuming PB side. I am assuming side PB is A. Then what is length of QB side? That should also be A. This is the application of the property. Correct or not? From point B, I am drawing two tangents BP and BQ. Those both lengths should be equal. Yes or no? So if the BP is A, QB is also A. In the same way, assume that QC is equal to B. Automatically, RC is also B. Let us assume DR is equal to C. Automatically, DS is also C. Okay, now I am highlighting this. These are lengths of sides. Don't confuse with points. C. Okay. Let us say AS is equal to D. Then automatically AP is also D. Clear? What is AB? Total length. A plus D plus. What is CD? CD is B plus C. A plus D plus B plus C. What is BC? Is equal to, what is BC? A plus B plus, what is AD? C plus D. A plus B plus C plus D is equal to A plus B plus C plus D. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved or not? In examination, how to write these things? Same thing. You explain this properly. Let BP is equal to A. Then BQ is equal to A. Why? Since length of tangent drawn from the property is equal. From a point is equal. Clear? This is one question. Very important question. Okay, now one more question. Same exercise 10.2. One more question based on our property. Third property. What is the question? Prove that a parallelogram inscribing a parallelogram, if let us say a parallelogram is inscribing a circle, then it's a rhombus. You have to prove. That means if any parallelogram, inside a parallelogram there is one circle fitting, you have to prove that it's not just a parallelogram, it becomes rhombus. How to prove? let us say, pause the video and try. Okay, now I'll explain solution. Let us say ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram means what? Opposite sides length are equal, obviously, correct? Opposite sides length are equal, so AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Just now we did one question. What is the question? If any quadrilateral is circumscribing a circle, then sum of opposite sides is equal. That means AB plus CD is equal to BC plus AD. Just now we proved this. You can use this proof, or you want to do this question separately also, then again same thing, A, B, C, D things. Okay, now you want to do in that way or this way, anything is fine. Okay, let us not use this property A. Let us say these points are again P, Q, R, S. But this, in this question, what is specialty? AB is equal to CD. Okay, now so PB is equal to A, QB is also A. Let us say QC is B. Let us say QC is B and RC will be B. Let us say this is C, this also will be C, this is D, this also will be D. Okay, now you will get same thing. We are proving same question. AB plus CD is equal to BC plus AD. But in this question, what is specialty? AB value is equal to CD value. So AB is equal to CD. I am writing AB plus CD is 2AB because both are same. BC plus AD is equal to 2BC. I am writing. Okay, now so AB is equal to BC. A parallelogram in which adjacent sides are equal. A parallelogram in which adjacent sides are equal is a rhombus. Clear? This is one way of proving. Okay, now this question, very important question, this one. Clear? Okay, I'll give one question. You try to do the answer and tell me answer in the comment section. Okay, now by using this property you have to do the question. For example, let us say there is a triangle. Let us say there is a triangle. Let us say this is an X circle now, which is drawn outside. If you extend the sides, no need to know what is X circle. But let us say A, B, C, let us say this point is D, let us say this point is P, let us say this point is Q. Okay, now then find what is the value of perimeter of ABC. I want to find perimeter of ABC. What is perimeter of ABC? If let us say AP value is 10. Let us say value of AP is equal to 10. If AP value is equal to 10, tell me what is perimeter of ABC. What is perimeter of ABC? ABC perimeter, how much is the question? Nice question. Okay, now everybody try. Nice question. Okay, that's it for today. In next class we will discuss something, next concept. Okay, now please share to whomever this is applicable and subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye.